What's up, world? Oh, go on. Nashan back in the building, Frost there. And I hope everybody out there is doing well. Thanks for tuning in. If you're a returning viewer, what's going on? If you're new there, welcome. I'm glad you decided to tune in. But what going on in the world today, dog? We don't know. We just wake up and what we see. Not only are the place on fire, Sizzla has set the place on fire. What go on between him and Khaled? Well, apparently he's upset because he received his shipment for his double platinum plaque, and apparently he felt disrespected because where his name was labeled or mentioned, he claims it wasn't legible. It probably didn't have bold font or wasn't as bold as the other artists. And since he's taken to his Instagram to vent his frustration and how he feels about the matter. Let me run the clips because it's on his IG. We're not even gonna take too long. Let me run it right now because fire blaze, fire blaze. Let's see what I want. We'll talk about it.
Get the knife. What are we doing? We're live. Holy man, we're live. You insult me, DJ Khaled, man. How are you really? Cut off the baby. Take off the baby picture. You insult me, DJ Khaled, man. Oh yeah. Cut off the baby picture. Baby yourself. Hold us up. Yeah, insult Rasta.
What?
Hold this. Hold this. Where that?
I'm going to go
Yeah, focus.
present that Plaque procedure to I think the damn name I can't see on this.
The king name of it on the Plaque.
You have to strain it, you have to see this. That's the greatest boy here. You know that?
Grateful with no gratitude.
Yeah, man.
They call it to us, all 5 years that I feel. That I bust him.
Greatest thing.
Only 5 years that I bust Khaled.
That I big up here. Yeah, the strength over the years.
Only 5 years that I feel it. Only 5 years.
Last year.
Babies are innocent.
Practice it. Represent. What I come out of there and frustrate the audience then because of the enemy who might still them is and their Holy man of life.
Last year. Rastafari. See of the ladies. Love the ladies.
Listen to the youth.
Yeah. Thunder.
Red fire.
gas light.
Fire that.
Yeah, man. Get rid of that. Red Rasta. So that's the raw here.
Wow, magnifying glasses, see that?
You know, red Rasta. Show you what did it. Red neck Rasta.
Watch your blazing. Yeah. Cut out here. You insult me, DJ Khaled. Babies are innocent. I saw that the boss. Assad the boss. Assad the boss. Bunda, you insult me. You're not the best, you're the worst. Or you feel like DJ Khaled, you can style Sizzla. Me boss you, man. August sound boss you. Joke you. More fire panda. But now fire king and fire this. Show you what I go on. Bun. Wrong plaque you send come give it. Africa. Burn the devil. Burn corruption. What you feel like? Wrong plaque you send. You can't even see my name. And I know you send plaque come give me. Hard work. Joke you take this thing. Burn black. Burn plaque. Yeah. Serious, yeah? Hanging! Children are an heritage unto the Lord, and the fruit of the womb is the reward. Eli, Selassie, Jah. The babies are innocent. Assad! Big up yourself.
DJ Khaled, man, you insulted me, man. You insult Jamaica.
Wow. All that Khaled. Everything about it.
I rather accept this as my black man. Babies are innocent. This is my godchild right here, okay? Put this in my studio, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Put it in my studio.
Yes, sir. Thank you very
Go
much.
put that in my studio.
Thank you very much.
Selassie bless you. What?
So there you have it. The fire did turn up August Town. So tell me in the comments, we want to talk about it. Tell me what you think that did. Think it was the right move? Do you think that was the correct response to taking? Do you think a oversight has been made on a plaque or an award or something? Do you think that you should go on social media live and just gas it and light it and blaze it afire? Me personally, I don't think that was a good look for this Kalonji. Me personally, I'm a big Kalonji fan. It doesn't take nothing away from him as far as respect goes, but as far as this incident, I don't think it was the best look, because Khaled and you have long-standing rapport. I don't know to the details because I'm not y'all, but to the public, it looks like y'all have a good rapport for many years. So there should be some open line of communications for you to vent your frustration. Zin? And that me say, you could have tell the man now if the man was just, you know, sending you a voicemail or told you some type of response that, I don't know, you found mediocre, then whatever you want to do, if you want to gas it, light it, dash it, I see you're free. But I just felt that, you know, maybe it could have been off social media first, but maybe it happened that way. I don't know. You let me know. You know how the thing go when it comes to Kalanje camp. So, you know, it doesn't take much to put a battery in their back. But tell me what you feel in the comments, and this is a quick one. I'm signing off. We'll be back soon with more stories. Peace.
One destiny.